Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Lakshmi. Due to some personal reasons, I couldn't upload any video since 3 to 4 months. I was waiting for one kickstart video. By God's grace, I got an opportunity to upload a different video this time. In this video, I want to take you to a different place. I know you all are waiting to watch the video. Let us see the video now. Before starting the video, please subscribe and press the bell button for the notifications. Thank you all. She is Sangeetha Mehrotra. She is a kind woman who lives with 21 golden retriever dogs in RT Nagar, Bangalore. She manages all by herself without anybody's help or support. She is famous in the area and is recognized by many people when she takes her dogs on walks. Having seen her so many times while she walked her dogs or took them around in her car, I inspired to know about her and her unique story. I decided to get her permission to visit her home with my husband, a close friend Sublakshmi, and her daughter, who are animal lovers. When we entered her home, a big battalion of dogs welcomed us with lot of love. From her childhood, Sangeetha loves animals so much. She has also had a rabbit, birds, and even a horse living in her home. As we talked with her about her life, she told us that she is from Uttaranchal and due to the nature of her father's job, she has lived in Delhi, Hyderabad, and Afghanistan also. She settled in Bangalore in 1986 and has lived here with her pets since 1990. Her journey started with a pair of dachshund, and after she quit her job, she was able to spend all her time with them. She started in 1994 with 2 dogs and today she has 21 golden retrievers. There are 11 females and 10 males. The oldest dog is 8 years old and the youngest at 4 months old is the 9th generation. She feeds them a diet that consists of egg, bread, curd, and dry dog foods. She takes them to a vet in Ramaya College area for their checkups and when they fall sick. When the female dogs go into heat, they are separated from the rest of the pack to avoid fights and pregnancies. She doesn't consider herself to be a trainer, but she wants her dogs to be soft, steady, and unbothered by the world around them. She just wants to live a quiet life with her furry and noble companions. She finds that people sometimes behave rudely and provoke anger in her dogs. She only wants to ignore them and be satisfied with the love and she shares with the dogs. She wishes to increase the size of the family too. These days, people find it difficult to manage even their day-to-day activities. But Miss Sangeetha has a noble pastime of having so many pets at her home. I thank her sincerely for allowing us to have an unforgettable experience. Thank you, ma'am. We pray that the Almighty gives you more strength and time to pursue your noble activity. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any queries or any comment, please put it in the comment box. All of you please subscribe Lifestyle Lakshmi and press the bell button for the notification. Thank you all.